Hi fams, welcome back to Niyi Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can check your comment history on the TikTok app. So the first thing is to log into your TikTok app, and once you're logged in you'd want to click on the profile icon on the bottom right side of the screen to access this profile page. Now from this profile page, if you look at the top right side of the screen, you'd see the hamburger menu right there, so just click on that, and then on the next pop-up click on settings and privacy and go to activity center just here. So on the activity center page, right on the watch history, you'd see your comment history and a couple of other history right there, so just click on comment history since that's what you'd want to check. So guys, that's it. That's how to check your comment history on the TikTok app. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.